Today we're gonna make the easiest set and forget dessert. Requires absolutely no baking. With just a few ingredients, you're gonna get this amazing icebox cake. Let's see. Icebox cake recipes have been around for 100 years. The idea is we're gonna use fresh whipped cream and cookies, and the cream is gonna create a cake-like texture with the cookies without baking. So let's try this today. So we're gonna do a fresh whipped cream with 2 cups of heavy cream, 1/4 cup of powdered sugar, and a teaspoon of vanilla. And we're gonna use a hand mixer to beat this until nice stiff peaks. So our homemade whipped cream is ready. We're gonna move this out of the way, and now we're gonna get layering. So we're gonna take some whipped cream, put on the bottom. We're gonna lay the cookies down. You just buy store-bought chocolate wafer cookies and lay them down. And continue layering. So we're gonna cover this in saran wrap and stick it in the fridge for at least 6 hours or overnight. So we've let our icebox cake, it was in the fridge overnight, and now we're gonna garnish it with a little cocoa powder. You can see here, the cookies have now made a cake-like texture. And look at that, it looks amazing. For the full recipe, visit nikkigluckus.com. And don't forget, like, subscribe, follow me on Instagram, and check out my Amazon store for some of my favorite products.